So you want to be vegan. So you want to be a vegan. This is a series that I'm making to help people understand what it is to be a vegan, understand veganism, and to help them in their transition. So if that's you, you might want to listen to these videos and refer back to other videos because I'm giving gold. In this video, I'm going to talk about getting started step by step, and it's going to be on a week type of plan. Just something to consider / try. Getting into it. The first week, for that first week, and we're talking about meals, you want to try one fully vegan meal for one day out of the meat. Explore plant-based meals that you can have and that you enjoy. You want to start small. That is one of the biggest things, is you want to start small. You don't want to flood your body with all this newness, because a lot of people do report feeling it. And you know what I mean by feeling it, because I love talking about that on my channel and in my life when I'm talking to people. So start small. Pick one day. Example could be your Meatless Monday. You can start the week off with a vegan meal and then go on with your life as you were going, because you want to try it out. You don't want to go full-fledged, because that's how people end up reverting back to their old ways. If you are really about this journey, you're going to take the proper steps to making sure that it's sustainable. In that next week, you want to increase to 2 vegan meals. Now, in this week 2, you're going to need to replace your dairy. Replace your dairy with things like plant milks. Replace your milk and your milk products with things that are made from nut milk, seed milk. Replace your eggs with things that are made from beans, things of that nature, tofu, legumes. That's what you want to shoot for week 2. The next week, you're going to focus on a variety of nutrients. Now you're trying new things. Try new legumes, try beans, try grains that you've never heard of. Try it, okay? So now that you've been to 2 vegan meals, you're going to keep it at 2 vegan meals, but you're trying new things. Just add it. You don't have to delete anything. Remember, these slow and steady steps are going to help you to sustain this for a longer time. In that 4th week, now you're going to optimize your meals. You need to track your hunger, track your energy, track your mood. Just kind of see what it looks like. Check to make sure you don't need to make any adjustments. By this 4th week, you should really have it down pat as to what your body needs for the day. Do I need more food? Do I need to taper it down? Do I need to make sure I get a certain amount of whatever? That's really up to you and your body and the best approach that works for you. So now we're at a month. Now you need to decide your pace. By this time, some people go 100% vegan right away, but others move gradually. You need to find your rhythm, okay? You've put in 4 good weeks, okay? And by this time, you're having 2 good vegan meals, maybe even 3 good vegan meals. By this month, you need to make a decision about the things that you want to cut out now, because you see that it's sustainable. You see that you can have meals, you can have a fully vegan day, and it's healthy and it's doable. So by the time of a month, you really should be looking towards making that transition. And I'm talking about food. I'm mainly talking about food and health choices. I'm not talking about the environmental and animal choices, because that really isn't my expertise. Some people will tell you they cleaned out their whole wardrobe and they don't have any leather anymore and stuff like that. But it's really up to you and what you feel comfortable with. I'm just talking about the food, because once you find your rhythm with your health, everything else is going to seem so much more clear. It's going to be crystal clear. And so the last thing that I will give you is, I want to get back to that analogy that I'm using with clothes. It did not happen overnight. You found the clothes that you wear, your style, you found it over a period of time. You figured out what worked for you. It took failed attempts but you kept trying. You're just not gonna not wear clothes. You kept trying. You figured out which styles worked for you, which brands worked for you. You explored. You shopped a little. You wore the things that you thought were comfortable, and you ended up donating or giving away clothes that you didn't like. It's going to be the same thing for your journey into veganism and being a vegan and eating that certain way. You're gonna have to try, you're gonna have to sample, you're gonna have to explore. With that being said, I hope this video helped you in some type of way. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the facts, the frequently asked questions about being a vegan and veganism. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Be well.